everyone, my name is Tara. Today I'm going to show you how to make an appointment with the WU Writing Center. To make an appointment, the first thing you need to do is log into your WU portal. Once it's loaded, you'll need to click the red icon to access the Writing Center scheduler. If this is your first time using the scheduler, you'll need to register using this form. Doing this saves your information into the scheduler's system and allows you to make, cancel, or edit appointments more efficiently.
Once you're registered, this will take you to our system scheduler, which you can see displayed here. This is our standard view. To make sure you're on the right schedule, you want to go to this link that says Schedules. Click the drop down and make sure that if you're a graduate student, you're viewing our grad student only menu, and if you're an undergraduate student, you're viewing our regular winter 2023 schedule. At the top here where it says winter 2023, it has the week that you're looking at. You can also use the next week feature to toggle over to the next week, or you can select this calendar date feature to select a date that you're interested in. Say you're looking for an appointment around midterms, you could come on here, look through February, or you could even go to March to get an appointment during finals week, select the date, and it'll take you straight there. From the standard view of the scheduler, you'll see drop-down menus at the top here with these menu bars. Here's where you can select the type of appointment you want, whether it's face-to-face or online. You can select a certain limit, say you wanted help with APA citation style, or say you wanted to work with a criminal justice major, you could select that, or you could select a specific tutor that you're interested in working with. Once you've selected the right schedule, you can scroll down and look at our week. Our display is set up by date, each one of these boxes being a date, with the time here at the top and the tutor on the left-hand side. You'll be looking for white spaces, which mean an appointment is available for you to book. As you can see, we have tutors anywhere from 9 a.m. until 4:30 p.m. and then in the evening from 6 p.m. to 9 p.m. White boxes means something is available for you, so you go ahead and click on any of these white spaces to book an appointment. This will open up the Create a New Appointment form. The most important thing is selecting whether you'll meet online or face-to-face. If it's an online appointment only, you won't even see this option. You will only have the Yes, Schedule Online option. We asked for some information just so that we know what you're working on. The most important question here is going to be how you'd like to meet online if you're meeting online. If you're meeting in person, you can just double check that you selected the Meet in Person option. If not, we offer appointments through Zoom, over the phone, and through Google Docs. We offer lots of opportunities and places for you to leave comments, notes, or to even attach a file if you'd like to attach something. These are not all required questions, so just double check. Required questions have a little red star next to them. Once you've filled out your appointment, click Create Appointment, and that should save it for you. Now, if you look at the scheduler, your appointment will show up in yellow. You should be able to click it, open it, and view your appointment. When you're ready to start your appointment, you'll be able to click on that appointment time, click Start Zoom Meeting with your tutor. Another way to make sure you've saved that appointment is you can scroll up to the top and you can hover over the My Appointments link up here next to the Schedules link. You can click on that and it will list all the appointments that you saved. You should be able to also just click on that and have a pop-up appear with that direct link to Zoom and more information about your appointment. This is also you can go ahead and edit your appointment, attach files, or even cancel your appointment as needed. If you have any further questions, feel free to reach out to us via email at writingcenter@wu.edu. Thanks for watching. We're here to help.